If you're facing FRP lock issues on your Samsung phone, then this video is for you. Stay tuned until the end, as I will show you how to fix this issue using a tool called ZeroKnox Removal. ZeroKnox Removal is an efficient solution to remove FRP lock from Samsung devices. It helps you regain access to your phone, especially after a factory reset or loss of Google account credentials. This program is compatible with various models such as Galaxy S, Galaxy Note, Galaxy A, and Galaxy M, and works on Android 6.0 to Android 11. On my blog, you can download the latest version of ZeroKnox Removal for free. The link will be displayed on the screen and in the video description. Search for the program name on the blog. But be careful. The file is protected by a password that will only be revealed at the end of this video. So don't leave before checking it out. Before starting, disable your computer's antivirus. This prevents the program from being blocked or causing errors during installation. After downloading the file, use a software like 7-Zip or WinRAR to unzip it. Make sure to follow all the steps shown here in the video to perform the installation correctly. After unzipping, run the program as an administrator. This ensures that it has all the necessary permissions to run smoothly. Now, here's how to use it step by step. Step 1. Use an original USB cable to connect your Samsung device to the computer. Step 2. Tap on the Enable ADB option or other two ADB options. Step 3. Enable ADB mode on your device. Step 4. Select Reset FRP ADB mode from the main menu. Step 5. Let the program complete the unlocking. Step 6. After the FRP lock is successfully removed, restart your device to use it normally. Tell me in the comments, have you tried another tool to remove FRP? Remember that the use of this tool is at your sole risk. I am not responsible for possible damage to the device, such as data loss, system failures, or security risks. If this video was useful to you, leave your like and subscribe to the channel to follow more tips and solutions. Watch until the end to get the file password and access the download link. See you next time.